how to fix your Cricket wireless account verification error. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into the cricketwireless.com, or you can use the application, and then from there, first of all, verify your phone number or PIN, right? So in here, currently it is not working. I'm pretty sure it will be fine within a few hours. So you can get into the website, like I said, and then ensure that you're entering the correct 4-digit account PIN and not your account password. So after doing that, you can now try to disable any sort of VPN and Wi-Fi that if you're using one. So if you scroll down from your control panel, long press on these network icons here, you can see I'm currently using Wi-Fi 2, and also I'm turning on my VPN, so make sure that both of them are turned off, and you should only be using your cellular data, right? So after doing all of these, if it still did not work, then you can try to request a new OTP via your SMS. Ensure that your phone is receiving SMS and not blocking any sort of shortcodes. And after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then if you are using the application of your Cricket, then try to clear all of the app cache. What you can actually do is simply offload the application if you are using your iPhone. And after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then try to reset your account PIN. You can call the customer service or visit a Cricket retail store with a valid government ID in order to reset your verification credentials.